This is the PS5. Let's get into it. This box is physically too large for me to even fit to do it, anything. I am stuck with it the way it is. So, let's turn this thing around. You can see the correct orientation. Ooh. Hold up, where are my scissors? Here we go, got some scissors. Just open the top of the box like that. Jesus God, this thing is large. Got to this. Let's see. Maybe. Okay, actually you can't see. So that's a shame. That's a real shame. Okay. Now we just gotta pull. Jesus Christ. Gotta pull. Right? You just kinda... Alright, you gotta pull it out the sleeve for starters. Gotta put some force in this damn thing. Oh my God. Dude, who physically makes a console that's so large you can't even slide it out of the box? Oh my God. Alright, we're gonna have to ditch the box. Screw the box. Screw the box. Alright, so you can see there's like a flap. Okay, kinda grab up. I think I just hit my microphone with my head. Alright, cool. So now we have the first part of the box, which is, let's see here, if I can open it. Alright, there's your cables. Your manuals. We'll need those later. Maybe. Any day now. It is the stand for the console. Oh, I hit my green screen. Oh my God, there's like no room in here. Now, followed by all of that is the shiny ass new controller that I heard got like a 9 out of 10 on IGN. The ooh, this thing's got some weight to it. The DualSense controller. See all these videos of people that have them and then finally get to use it? That's a weird feeling. Oh, this thing feels nice though. Feels well made for sure. There's that. Onto the thing that I'm not even sure I'm gonna have table space for. Now this thing literally just slides out. Oh wow, this thing has got some weight to it. Here we go. That's gonna be a mess and a half, but I'll have to clean up later. Get that dumbass thing off of here. The PlayStation 5. Holy shit, I can't even believe I'm opening one. Now, before we open this, please be sure to go subscribe. Right? Because you are going to get a ton of PS5 content now that I actually have one. Of course, I was supposed to get it on launch day, but that didn't happen. Oh my God. Here's the console. I'm going to sort of... Okay, I got to figure out how to do the stand now. Oh, Lord.